Finding the best car battery for your vehicle can be tricky. Whether it's ensuring longevity, reliable starts in all weather, or getting the best value for money, the right car battery can make a huge difference in your car's performance. In this video, we'll dive into the top 5 best car batteries available in 2024 that will ensure your vehicle runs smoothly. Stay tuned till the end to find out which one best suits your needs. Kicking off our list at number 1, Odyssey PC 680. The Odyssey PC 680 is a high-performance car battery designed for those who prioritize reliability and long-lasting power. Whether you're driving a daily vehicle or an off-road machine, the Odyssey PC 680 promises to deliver exceptional performance in all types of conditions. Key features: this battery boasts an impressive AGM, absorbed glass mat technology, offering a longer cycle life, up to 400 cycles at 80% depth of discharge. It also provides fast recharge capabilities, which is ideal for drivers who can't afford to wait long between charges. The non-spillable design makes it versatile for mounting in various positions. Benefits and usage. The Odyssey PC 680 is especially known for its powerful cranking abilities, which make it perfect for vehicles requiring robust starting power. It's ideal for those who need a maintenance-free battery that offers reliable service in harsh conditions, whether that's freezing winters or scorching summers. Usability. This battery is user-friendly, requiring no regular maintenance and offering a hassle-free installation process. Its compact design allows it to fit into a variety of vehicles, from motorcycles and ATVs to cars and light trucks. Durability. The Odyssey PC 680 shines in durability, with a rugged design built to resist vibration and extreme environments. This battery is known to last up to 10 years, making it an excellent investment for those looking for a long-lasting solution. In the second spot, we have AcDelco Gold 94 AGM. The ActDelco Gold 94 AGM is a premium battery that delivers exceptional power and reliability. As part of ActDelco's high-quality battery line, the 94 AGM is designed to provide consistent performance across all types of vehicles, from sedans to larger trucks. Key features. This battery features AGM technology, which offers superior performance and a longer lifespan compared to traditional batteries. The ActDelco Gold 94 AGM also includes a calcium lead-positive grid, improving conductivity and providing better resistance against corrosion. Benefits and usage. With a focus on delivering steady voltage and a consistent start, this battery is perfect for drivers who prioritize reliability. It is also maintenance-free, making it a convenient option for people who prefer minimal upkeep. Thanks to its high reserve capacity, it will power your vehicle's electronics without the risk of an abrupt failure. Usability. Installation is straightforward, and its robust design makes it suitable for heavy-duty vehicles that require significant power, such as trucks and SUVs. Once installed, there's no need for regular checks or maintenance. Durability. The ActDelco Gold 94 AGM is built to last, with a design that resists corrosion and can withstand extreme temperatures. It's engineered to have a longer cycle life, offering more value in the long run compared to conventional batteries. Coming in at number 3 is the DieHard Platinum. The DieHard Platinum is a top-tier battery that combines power, durability, and technology to offer premium performance for a wide range of vehicles. As one of the most trusted names in the industry, DieHard ensures that their Platinum series delivers high-level reliability for everyday drivers and professionals alike. Key features. The DieHard Platinum utilizes enhanced AGM technology, which maximizes power delivery and increases longevity. The battery also boasts twice the cycle life of standard batteries, and its deep cycle capabilities make it suitable for vehicles with high energy demands like trucks with multiple electronics. Benefits and usage. The DieHard Platinum provides reliable performance in both hot and cold climates, making it a solid choice for drivers who live in areas with extreme temperatures. It's also designed to be maintenance-free, meaning there's no need to worry about checking water levels or other upkeep. Usability. The DieHard Platinum is known for its easy installation process. It fits a wide variety of vehicles and can even handle the higher demands of modern electronics, including infotainment systems and advanced lighting setups. Once installed, this battery requires virtually no attention. Durability. Built to withstand vibrations and resist wear and tear, the DieHard Platinum offers an extended lifespan, ensuring that your vehicle gets reliable starts for many years. It's designed to handle rough terrain, making it a great option for off-road enthusiasts and those with heavy-duty vehicles. Taking our fourth spot is Exide Edge FPAGM. The Exide Edge FPAGM is a standout battery known for its superior longevity and powerful performance. Exide is a well-known name in the automotive industry, and this battery stands out due to its advanced AGM technology and extended life cycle. Key features. One of the most notable features of the Exide Edge FPAGM is its high energy capacity, which makes it perfect for modern vehicles equipped with a lot of electronics. It also comes with a spill-proof design and is resistant to both high and low temperatures, making it a versatile choice for various climates. Benefits and usage. This battery provides consistent power, ensuring your vehicle starts reliably in all conditions. It's perfect for drivers who demand high performance and reliability, especially those with vehicles that feature energy-hungry systems like infotainment or climate control. Usability. The Exide Edge FPAGM is easy to install and requires no maintenance. Its design makes it an excellent choice for SUVs, trucks, and other large vehicles that demand higher power output. Its spill-proof design also makes it a safe option for different types of installations. Durability. Durability is a key feature of this battery. It is engineered to handle high levels of vibration and stress, which are common in off-road conditions. With a long-lasting design, it offers reliable service for years, making it a solid investment for both daily drivers and adventurers. And finally, at number 5, we have Bosch S6 AGM. The Bosch S6 AGM is another strong contender in the world of car batteries, particularly for those who prioritize longevity and consistent performance. As a part of Bosch's premium line of batteries, the S6 AGM provides superior starting power and advanced technology for modern vehicles. Key features. The Bosch S6 AGM is powered by advanced AGM technology, providing up to 4 times the cycle life of conventional batteries. It also offers high charge acceptance, which is especially useful for vehicles with start-stop technology or regenerative braking systems. Benefits and usage. This battery is designed to handle the high demands of modern vehicles, especially those with start-stop engines. It provides reliable starting power in all weather conditions, making it a great option for drivers in extreme climates. It's also a low-maintenance solution, offering peace of mind to busy car owners. Usability. The Bosch S6 AGM is highly versatile, fitting a wide range of vehicles, including cars, trucks, and SUVs. It's also known for its easy installation process, making it convenient for both professional mechanics and DIY car owners. Once installed, this battery requires little to no attention, making it a hassle-free choice. Durability. Bosch is known for producing high-quality products, and the S6 AGM is no exception. It's built to withstand tough conditions and frequent usage, providing a reliable power source for years. The battery's long lifespan and robust design make it an excellent value for the investment. So there you have it, the top 5 best car batteries of 2024. Whether you're looking for something compact and powerful like the Odyssey PC 680 or a long-lasting, high-capacity option like the Bosch S6 AGM, these batteries provide reliability, durability, and performance. Choose the right one for your needs, and you'll never have to worry about a dead battery again. Don't forget to subscribe for more expert car reviews and tips to keep your vehicle running at its best.